Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Two of Wands, Six of Cups in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you had faith on certain things or you were expecting certain things in your work or in your relationship. Maybe the people you work with, you expected them to handle a particular situation in a particular way, but they have proved you wrong today, guys. So you feel that you cannot trust them or rely on them for anything. So they have broken your trust and faith, or maybe with this person you love. Maybe they are not like you. So you are someone who is dedicated to whatever you do, and you are a faithful person, loyal. Maybe this person is not like that, guys. They may not be reciprocating your level of loyalty and that friendly nature. And that may be the reason you see that you cannot trust them anymore and they are hiding something. Maybe they are not telling you the whole truth. So some kind of misunderstanding may be there in your relationship, guys, with this person you love. And for some of you in this connection, you are seeing things going in a particular way. Maybe you are trying to understand this person. You are in a place where you need to make a decision. Maybe you want to move forward with this connection or not. So you are making some important choices today, guys. But this person is not giving you a clear picture what needs to be done. So you are waiting and thinking what needs to be done. Maybe you are happy. It may be something minor, maybe some small misunderstandings in this relationship, guys. But for some of you, even that situation is going to resolve, guys. Maybe you will be able to patch up things with this person. Maybe they are saying sorry, and maybe for some of you they are revealing the secrets or whatever was holding them back. So some understanding may be there between you both now, and you are thinking and planning about the next step, what needs to be done today, what decision needs to be made. So for your relationship, we have Seven of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So simply dreaming about your relationship is not going to work today, guys. You need to move forward towards that action, whatever needs to be done. And that is what you are trying to do today. Maybe you are making those important decisions today. So whether to move forward, step up with commitment or marriage, or maybe take some more time to decide on such a big thing. So you may need time, guys. You need to do things with clarity. Scorpios. So, for your career situation, Scorpios, it's Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So, your circumstances are unfolding in a very positive way, guys. Positive destiny is working in your relationship. You are going to be extremely successful, prosperous in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpio. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So, it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.